Hi and a very good evening to each one of you. And today we are starting a very powerful session, a session which everybody is going to benefit from because everybody over the age of 25 or definitely over the age of 30 does feel at some point of time that the area around their eyes doesn't look as amazing as it used to look, or doesn't look as amazing as they want it to look. Yes, in all Indians, dark circle can be a very common problem, and people have a lot of home remedies for dark circles. Some of them may even work, but works very temporarily, and there are some beliefs that are so strong when it comes to dark circles. Beliefs like dark circles are hereditary, and something that is hereditary has no cure. Nothing can happen in the area of hereditary illnesses or hereditary conditions is one thing which people believe in. So I know a lot of people with amazing personalities, amazing skin, really pretty features, but all their features seem to be pulled down just because they have dark circles, and these dark circles make them look sick despite having such an amazing personality. And when I talk to them and ask them why are they not doing anything for these dark circles, many people believe that because the dark circles are hereditary, nothing is going to work for them. So today we are going to answer a question: will anything work if your dark circles are hereditary? The answer to this coming really soon. The second thing I hear from many people is that nothing is going to work for their dark circles because they are not able to get enough sleep. They put the entire blame of their dark circles on not getting enough sleep. Now is this correct? Is this not correct? And if it is correct, and if the lifestyle or the circumstance says that the person cannot get enough sleep, is it still possible for me to give a recommendation and to give reduction in that person's dark circle? So somebody who doesn't get enough rest, somebody who has some amount of stress, somebody who doesn't get enough sleep, can I give something to control the dark circle of that person? Yes, I'm going to be answering that too in the next 30 minutes. And then most of you have tried something or the other for your dark circles, but you have not got results, and you have decided that you will not get results in this dark circle. So this decision comes from you trying something and it not working for you. So today I am going to tell you the 5 top reasons why people have not got results in their dark circles, and I am sure out of these 5 reasons there will be one reason which you identify could be your reason, and if it makes sense to you, if you change that, you will actually get results in your dark circles. Yes, you will see dramatic reduction in your dark circles. Isn't that really exciting? And isn't that really something that could make a difference to you every single day, to see a reduction in your dark circle? After this, it gets even more interesting. People love home remedies. People do try home remedies. There are a lot of home remedies which people are trying for dark circles. The most common one being the potato juice, definitely, which shows some results. But I am going to share something which is far more effective than potato juice, and I'm going to tell you why it is far more effective than potato juice. Yes, you can try it today itself. After completing this conversation, you can try that idea, that hack I'm going to be telling you from your kitchen, something in 5 minutes, a lot more effective than potato juice for your dark circles. You can try it, and of course, please be wonderful enough to share your results with me, because you know that your results make me work harder. Your results make me share more information and empower you even more. And the last thing is, there is one thing you do not realize, and this thing has nothing to do with a product. This thing has to do with a style tip. So I'm going to tell you some style tip, and using this style tip, you can actually reduce your dark circles. Not just reduce your dark circles, you can also reduce the fine lines and wrinkles around the eye. So sharing one style tip which makes you look stylish and at the same time reduces your dark circles, fine lines and wrinkles. So thank you everybody who's joined in. We start the session now. The session will go on till 6 o'clock. o'clock. And if there are any questions, you can write to me. I will answer your questions individually. I will not take them during the session because I do not want the flow of the session to be interrupted. Save the session, share the session, tag your friends in the session because this is going to be a really, really powerful session. One of the USPs of me, Dr. Shweta Iyengar, founder of Aesthetic Clinic Skin Sense and creator of the Healthy Hair Masterclass, and now creating a blueprint for pigmentation audiobook. One of my USPs is that I simplify information, and I simplify it so much that it empowers you to take action on that information. Second thing is, I make sure I share only what I have used either in myself, my family members, my loved ones, or in thousands of my clients, because I am in the field of skin and hair care for the last 11 years. So everything I share with you is tried and tested and proven. And everything I share with you is super simplified because the intention of this conversation is to get you results. And the only way I can get you results is when I make it simple enough for you to take action. So beginning with question number 1. Can a person get results in hereditary dark circles? So anything hereditary. By heredity, if somebody has an obesity problem, by heredity, if somebody has a diabetes problem, if people have hair thinning due to heredity, or somebody saying that my dark circles are heredity, somebody says mera gussa heredity hai. So there are so many things we are attributing to heredity. So I just want to tell you that everything that is heredity is real. Yes, you are genetically predisposed to it, but that doesn't mean that तुम पे कोई छापा लग गया है. That doesn't mean that there is no respite for that problem. Yes, even cases of heredity dark circles, there is surety, there is a definite guarantee that everybody can get results. But if you have a heredity problem, then you have to understand that the results will be a little slow probably. You will get up to 70% results. Of course, nobody gets 100% results. Even the celebrities show some kind of flaws. So perfection doesn't exist. Super flawlessness doesn't exist. Yes, but awesomeness definitely exists. So even if you have a heredity dark circle, I just want to tell you, and I want to tell you this very firmly, you can get 70% or more results, and you will have to maintain these results. Any problem that is hereditary, you cannot take it for granted. You cannot just think that, you know, I have done it and now it should sustain forever, because your body is predisposed to that problem. You will have to maintain it forever. I think this point is clear. So those of you जो heredity के नाम के पीछे छुप रहे हैं, a gentle request that you need not hide behind anything, because all heredity problems are curable to a very large extent. 70% is a very great extent, and 70% result can make a significant difference in your personality, in your confidence, in your everyday life. Isn't it? Now coming to the second thing, some people do not get enough sleep, like working on night shifts, young mothers who have small babies. So many people, because of multiple reasons, they do not get enough rest, and they believe that not getting enough sleep or having too much stress is the reason for dark circles. Is it true? Yes, of course. Lifestyle decides how fresh we look, how much energy we have. Lifestyle decides our moods, and all this put together definitely decides our digestion of food, our hormonal changes, and so many things. So if your lifestyle isn't healthy enough, if you're not feeling relaxed because of your lifestyle, it is going to affect both your skin and hair, and yes, it is going to affect your dark circles in particular. So if you have a lifestyle that doesn't allow you enough sleep, should you not treat your dark circles? Can you not get results in your dark circles? What is possible for you? What is possible for you again is at least a 70% correction. Of course, if you have a good regime, a good nutrition, and a good lifestyle, then you have like the icing on the cake, and you have absolutely amazing results. But if you're not able to manage the healthy lifestyle, you still can manage a proper skin care, a proper under eye care, a proper nutrition, and at least if each one attributes to 35%, so 35% which comes from the lifestyle is not available to you, and we respect that because sometimes it's easier said than done to live a very healthy lifestyle. Circumstances do not allow you to be stress free, circumstances do not allow you to get enough sleep, or because of certain reasons the quality of your sleep is compromised. So that is 35%. So at least the other 70% is still yours. So rather than blaming your lifestyle and not doing anything at all, and then not getting any results because you are not doing anything at all, doesn't it make a lot more sense to say that okay, 35% is out of my control, but the other 70% that is in my control, let me take charge and let me make it happen. So again, I tell you, please do not blame your genetics, please do not blame your lifestyle. Yes, they affect, but then beyond that, 70% is in your hand. So what is more, 70% or 30%? Definitely 70%, right? So what you have control of is 70%, and you are not taking action on that 70%, and you are complaining about that 30%, and you're allowing dark circles to affect you. Each one of us know that dark circles do affect a personality very, very majorly, because the first thing people look at is at your eyes. In fact, if you have bad dark circles, people think that you're not healthy enough. They pass a judgment that probably you're sick or else you're too worried, and that's not a good feeling. So if you are a professional and if you do have dark circles, I think it's your responsibility to take care of your dark circles, because it makes a significant difference to look into a person's eye and make that commitment, to make that promise. It's really, really powerful to be able to look into the person's eye and to talk to that person. For that, you need to make sure that you are not feeling overwhelmed, you are not feeling low on confidence because of your dark circles. Having said that, I want to talk about 5 things, 5 mistakes that people must be making, because yes, dark circle bothers everybody and people are doing something or the other to get rid of their dark circles. But more people than not tell me that I have tried everything for my dark circle, but कोई चीज से result नहीं मिलता है. It's very common to hear people say that you do not get results from dark circle. I have tried everything in the world. So these could be the 5 mistakes that you have made because of which you have not got results. So I am listing those 5 mistakes, and you will find out which one of these possibly is your mistake. You will know for yourself. If you want to share in the comments, you're free to share in the comments, or this is not so much about the comments, but this is about powerful learning. So I want you to introspect as I share these 5 mistakes and know for yourself what have you been doing wrong and what can you change to get the results you desire and you deserve in dark circles. So number 1 is people use just one ingredient. So I have said many times that beauty is not just skin deep. It is a combination of hormones and nutrients and skin health and skincare products and lifestyle, of course, and so many other things. So just buying one under eye cream or just picking up one ingredient and applying it around the eye like just a potato juice, so no single ingredient can help you get rid of dark circles. In fact, dark circles is quite difficult to treat because of the thinness of the area around the eyes, because of the capillaries around the eyes. So these make dark circles a little difficult to treat. Again, we know that the area around the eyes is lacking in oil secretion. So our face has a lot of oil glands known as sebaceous glands, but the area around the eyes does not have these oil glands or sebaceous glands, because of which it gets really, really dry. And the third reason is that we rub our eyes too often, we pull our eyes too often. So it's already a sensitive area and it undergoes a lot of abuse so many times, because of which fine lines develop, wrinkles develop. Every time we express something, there is a lot of movement around the eyes. Every time we blink, there is a lot of movement around the eyes, and this causes wear and tear. So of course, the area around the eyes undergoing a lot of wear and tear, and we got to be sensitive to the fact that it needs extra pampering too. So not taking care of the holistic wellness and just applying one single product, that also when you find the time is not going to get rid of your dark circles. So if you have tried cucumber and potato juice, and if you have tried some OTC is over the counter, some dark circle cream that some MLM lady suggested to you, that also you have used infrequently whenever you remember to use it, and then if you tell me that I have tried everything but I don't get results in dark circles, I will tell you, please don't do that. Please take some more responsibility, because if you work hard to get the results in dark circles, it is going to brighten up your whole face. You don't have to work on your whole face. Just working on the area around your eyes will brighten up your whole face. The second mistake which people do is they buy very budgeted products. They typically look at the cost of the product before they buy the product. So I'm not saying that you should always buy expensive products, but then your decision making cannot be based on the price. Your decision making has to be based on what exactly is your need and what does the product do and what are the reviews of the product. So if somebody gives you a proven product which has great reviews, but if the cost of the product is 2000 rupees, you may probably think and overthink this. But if somebody gives you a product which has no reviews, you have no idea what it is, but then the cost of the product is 100 rupees, like at an exhibition or something like that, you just tend to think कि 100 rupees ही है ना, try करके देख लेते हैं, बुराई क्या होगा, try करने में क्या जाता है. I think this should not be the approach to health and beauty. One has to take more responsibility. I am not trying to say that buy only an expensive product, but I'm just trying to say that don't try many cheap random products because it was easy to use or it was so inexpensive that what's the harm in using, because you will try 5 such random products which are extremely pocket friendly but which have no proven results, which have no amount of actives, which do not give you the results finally, and you tend to believe in your mind, you start believing that this is not going to go away. So then these cheap products are not making a dent on your pocket, but they are making a dent on your belief system, because they are making you believe that I have tried everything and nothing works for me, and that's not an empowering belief to have at all. You definitely have to believe that there is something that is right, there is some solution to this problem, and I am going to be in action till I find a solution to this problem and every other problem that bothers me. Isn't that a great way to approach life? So the third thing that people do because of which they are not getting results in dark circles are only think of the under eye cream, and they do not think of the food they eat, because the food they eat is definitely going to influence their aging. If somebody is eating a lot of sugar, a lot of junk food, smoking a lot, eating a lot of candies and colas and things like that, this is sure to age you a lot faster. And dark circle is an aging sign. In fact, it is among the first aging signs. Your dark circles look more prominent because of the fine lines around the eyes. Your dark circles look more prominent because of the puffiness around the eyes. Your dark circles look more prominent because of the dryness of your skin. So fine lines, puffiness, dryness are all aging signs, and if you are casual about taking care of aging right, because you are eating a lot of junk food, then just applying an under eye cream is not going to help your dark circles. The fourth thing that people don't do is people do not realize that antioxidants and collagen powders and certain other things have a vital role to play in this dark circle management. Of course, we know so many celebrities with beautiful eyes. We have seen them at various ages. Of course, everybody shows some signs of aging. We are not trying to defy nature, or we are not trying to create plastics here. We are just trying to be the healthiest version of ourselves. We're just trying to be healthy at a cellular level, and we have seen that a lot of people are ageless. We call them evergreen. आपके त्वचा से आपका उम्र का पता ही नहीं चलता. We've all grown up with this line, and we know that we can give this compliment to so many people, and that is when they have a holistic approach to skincare. So in a holistic approach to skincare, what not to eat becomes quite important, and also multivitamins become more important. If you haven't considered taking antioxidants for your dark circle, you must have a conversation with me about it. They work brilliantly to reduce the darkness under the eyes. Again, collagen, which I have been talking about a lot. In fact, I've been using a lot of collagen in my practice in the last two months or so, and I have seen phenomenal results. In fact, it's every day that I get a compliment from one person that they got a compliment from their friend that they're absolutely looking stunning. So they're thanking me for helping them look stunning, and I have to thank collagen being available so easily, and collagen has no smell at all. So even if you're a vegetarian, it doesn't bother you that you're drinking something very smelly, and you still get the results. And you get results not just in skin, you get results in hair, in nails, in joints, and in overall slowing down of aging. Collagen helps a lot in dark circle correction, because I just shared with you that dark circles is also about fine lines, also about wrinkles. So the lack of elasticity around the eyes makes the eyes look sunken, and this looking sunken makes you look like you have terrible dark circles. So once you continue this collagen, you will see that this sunken area starts getting better and better, starts getting more and more plump, and the more plump your skin gets, the lesser your dark circles look, the more fresh and radiant you look. And the fifth mistake is, if you haven't started your around the eye care at the right time, if you waited too long, then you get deep wrinkles, you get eye bags, you get so many other problems, and these problems are not correctable only by home remedies. These problems are not corrected even by very good under eye creams. These problems are not corrected even with oral supplements. These problems now need lasers. In some cases, you may even need Botox and fillers. So if you want results, you will not be able to say that I want this, I don't want this, I like this, I don't like this. Of course, we can all decide our negotiables and non-negotiables, but we cannot be rigid about this is how I will do it. I want results, but I want results only with the kitchen remedies. It may not always be possible. In a lot of cases, it is necessary to use lasers, it is necessary to use other radio frequency devices. In very rare cases, it is even necessary to use Botox or fillers. Now, you must understand this. If it was so simple, if home remedies were the solution to everything, why would there be a market that makes so many products? Why would there be a market which manufactures laser and laser-like devices? The fact that newer and newer devices are coming into the market is because they are producing results that creams and home remedies cannot produce, and these results are very desirable. And the reason that once these are in the market for the last 25 to 30 years, and now mothers who underwent those treatments are now getting their daughters to undergo those treatments, which kind of says that when mothers get their teenage daughters to undergo treatments like a laser hair reduction or some other treatment, some other laser treatment, and the mother herself underwent the same treatment 20 or 25 years back, we know for a fact that these things are so safe that the mother is comfortable getting it done for her daughter, and she does it with full awareness and full understanding. So when we feel scared of certain things, it is because we don't have enough knowledge. Lack of knowledge always scares us, and knowledge always adds to our courage. So knowledge makes us courageous. So please gather more and more knowledge about the available technology that will help you get rid of your dark circles. Yes, there is a solution. Having said that, I also want to tell you 3 more things. You have to be aware of these 3 things. One is the solution is not, there is no quick fix. You are not going to get instant results. In fact, people who've got unbelievable results at SkinSense, yes, you must have seen a lot of transformation pictures that I put up sometimes. If you haven't met a SkinSense grandmom, you must, because a SkinSense grandmom looks absolutely ravishing. So we have seen ravishing transformation at SkinSense, and not 1 or 2, but hundreds and thousands of people who've got transformational results. But these people have invested 18 months to sometimes even 3 years to make that transformational change. So you got to understand that if you are concerned about having hair that is like a pooch or skin that doesn't glow at all, it is because of the damage that you have caused to your skin and hair in more than a decade. For 10 years you haven't done the right thing, and today your skin and hair has so many layers of damage. So now if you're looking at a transformation, if you want to look back younger, 10 years younger, and then you want to maintain those results, it definitely takes more than 6 months to be able to see that the results can be transformational. So if you have tried, yes, there are differences which are seen in as early as 15 days or 1 month. You will know for a fact कि आपकी दिशा सही है, आपको differences दिखने लगा है. But if you are looking at a transformation, it's pretty much like a gym or a yoga. You can start a gym and a yoga in as little as 4 to 6 weeks. You can start seeing the positive changes. But if it is transformation that you are after, if you choose transformation, you know that you have to give it a year, you may even have to give it 3 years. But if you're committed to it, and if you give something proven, a year to 3 years, the results are marvelous. You absolutely stand out in the crowd. In fact, you yourself are astonished that these results are possible. So it's a slow and steady process, but it's a healthy and long-lasting process. So I would choose a slow and steady process, but a healthy and long-lasting process. Like, you know, my business has grown every year, step by step, adding more and more value. It has been a slow and steady process. Nothing has happened fast for me, but whatever has happened is very strong from the inside, is very healthy from the inside, and what I have created is so long lasting. In fact, all the content and the master classes I am creating now will live forever, will live even when I don't live. So we are creating something very, very long lasting. We're not creating anything instant that just has short-term benefits. So these were the 5 reasons. So those of you who are listening to me, you could share with me what you think is your reason for not getting results in your dark circles, but no longer will you hide behind saying, I have tried everything and nothing works for me. Now coming to the secrets. So there were some secrets I promised I would share, and a lot of people are excited to know that secrets. I am going to give you a home remedy. So even when I say that there are laser technologies and radio frequency technologies that create magical results, even as I say that there are antioxidants and collagen peptides that again make you so healthy that everybody is complimenting you, I have shared all this. But when I talk about home remedies, everybody is very excited. So probably it's in our roots. We love Dadi Ma ke nuske, we love home remedies, and right now I will be sharing a home remedy that you can do right today. Go into your kitchen, do it, and in 5 minutes you will tell me that yes, the area around your eyes looked a lot brighter. And what is that home remedy? No, it's not cucumber. No, it's not potato. It is honey. Use good quality honey applied around your eyes. Use this finger. We generally use this finger whenever we are trying to apply anything around the eyes, because we do not want too much pressure. Remember, I said the area is very sensitive, the area is very thin, so too much pressure causes it more irritation and damage, which causes wrinkles. So generally we use this finger and we use a tapping motion whenever we use anything around the eyes. So you can just take some honey and you can apply it below the eyes and above the eyes both, and you can just rest, play some music, whatever suits you. Close your eyes, play some music or something. It's a little messy, but otherwise it doesn't take any effort at all, and you can rest for around 5 minutes and just wash off that area with cold water or with tap water. Cold water is even more preferred after 5 minutes. You can even apply it on your face and neck if you like. It gives benefit to the entire skin, but especially to the dark circles. You will see an instant brightening. Yes, this seems magical, and it is magical, but the only problem is the results don't last too long. Probably the benefits you get could last you for 6 to 8 hours. So it's a perfect before the party trick. And why it works is the area around the eyes looks dull, looks dark, looks wrinkly because it lacks hydration. We spoke about that area not having the sebaceous glands and being extremely dry. So what we actually need is not so much of a whitening agent. A potato is a whitening agent or a depigmenting agent. It's a detanning agent. But the problem around the eyes, even for those who have dark circles, is dryness. So dryness is one of the leading causes of tiredness around the eyes, lack of brightness around the eyes, and even darkness around the eyes. And this hydration and antioxidant and nutrition boost is given by honey. Honey is amazing in hydration. If you go and look at all the organic moisturizers and hydrating shampoos and conditioners, they all contain honey, organic honey, and they charge you a bomb for it. So honey is going to give you beautiful moisturization. You can try it. You can apply it on your lips. You can apply it around the eyes. You can apply it on the skin. And when you wash it off with plain water, you will see better hydration. So I want you to try it. Thank you very much, and very, very effective remedy. The only negative of this remedy is that it is not a transformational thing. You don't have hydration, and adding this will add to your hydration. It can be applied on the upper part of the lids also. Many times even the upper lid is looking very thin and very dehydrated, very wrinkly. That is also creating a negative impact on your entire personality. So you can apply honey on the upper part of the lid also and get very, very good result. If you want, you could even do it every day, every alternate day, whenever you're stepping out, whenever you've not slept well, whenever you're not feeling great enough. But the only negative of this is that the effects are very, very temporary. As long as the skin, upper layer of the skin rather, soaks up the honey for that much time, you will see that the upper layer of the skin looks good, but as soon as it gets consumed, it just goes away. You will see that it is back to square one. So for those of you who do not want it to go back to square one, who are looking at transformational results, of course we can talk. I just want to make you aware through this conversation that there are options which you haven't thought of, options which have helped so many people, options which are absolutely safe, and I won't say that they are reasonable or cheap. Yes, treatment for area around the eyes, even the under eye creams that I use are quite expensive, but I would still call them absolute value for money, because everything that I prescribe is sure to give you results. And if something is sure to give you results, I would call it a value for money, because many times we buy very, very inexpensive products which give us no results at all, and then we feel कि कोई ज़्यादा फर्क तो नहीं पड़ता है. It was just 100 rupees, but how many such 100 rupees will you put it down the drain? I would rather invest a product which is even 1000 rupees, but which is sure to give me results. What's your opinion on this? So when you look for an under eye cream, look for a retinol. You could write down these names. Retinol based creams slow down the aging around the eyes. So medical grade retinol of the right percentage can reduce crow's feet, fine lines and wrinkles around the eyes. And hyaluronic acid and vitamin K. Vitamin K works beautifully to reduce the dark circles. Vitamin C is good, but vitamin C is definitely not as good as vitamin K. Vitamin K is a specific vitamin which is given by the best companies, used by the best medical professionals to create a difference in the area around the eyes. So use vitamin K based creams, use retinol based creams, use creams which have a very high hydration. One of the products which gives very high hydration is called hyaluronic acid, and this hyaluronic acid not just gives your skin water, but it gives your skin a molecule which helps your skin hold water. So just giving water is a very temporary process, but training your skin to hold the water is something which is going to change the way your skin looks on a day-to-day basis. So try products around the eyes which contain hyaluronic acid. These are not very budgeted products, but I would still call them value for money products because they give results, whereas under eye dark circles is difficult to treat, and budgeted products sometimes do not give any results at all. Now coming to the last part, and this is also very, very interesting, something that you don't have to buy, something that you don't have to apply, something that you don't have to eat. You just have to look stylish and you can slow down your dark circles. You just have to look stylish and you can slow down the aging around the eyes. Do you want to guess what I'm going to share with you right now? I'm going to share with you right now that you must wear UV protected sunglasses whenever you are out in the hot sun, because sun causes a lot of aging, and whenever we are out in the hot sun we tend to squint a little, because you know the sun makes us squint a little, and this squinting also causes a lot of lines close to the eyes. So if you start wearing nice UV protected, very good quality shades, very good quality sunglasses every time you go out in the sun, you have worn a sunscreen around the eyes, the sun damage around the eyes is protected, the area is already dry. Too much sun exposure is going to make it more dry. Again, if you're squinting a lot, you're going to get more lines and wrinkles, and we are going out in the sun so often. Those people who need to keep going out in the sun, don't wear a sunglass which doesn't have a UV protection glass. Invest in a really good quality sunglass and it will benefit your eye. You will age slowly around the eye, and that's a really big thing, because the first place where you're going to start aging is close to the eye, and you must prevent that, because we all know that prevention is better than cure. So thank you so much for being here and listening to me share my secrets, share my learnings, and being a part of my mission to add value to you and share fun and easy ways and empower you to be the best version of yourself inside out. This entire series is about being awesome inside out. We are speaking about hair. We did speak about hair the last 4 times, and we did speak about how food, what to eat, what not to eat, what supplements to eat, what kind of protein should we be having. So we will always talk about food and supplements whenever we talk about beauty on the outside, because for me it is being healthy on the inside which radiates beauty on the outside. So that's just a byproduct of being positive and healthy on the inside. I am starting a series on acne very soon, so I'll be coming back on Tuesday at 5:30. Let's keep the timing same, but at 5:30 this Tuesday we will start talking about oily skin. A lot of people have a problem with oily skin and oily scalp both. A lot of people tell me कि अगर 2 दिन बाल धोने का टाइम नहीं मिला तो ऐसे लगता है तेल लगा के बैठी हूँ. That's the kind of thing I get on my telephonic consultations very commonly. So if your skin is secreting too much oil, if your hair is secreting too much oil, how can you control it? Because too much oil makes you look shiny and causes a lot of problems like whitehead, blackheads and acne. So this is my gift to a lot of youngsters, because I believe that making them feel confident in the best phase of their life, which is their teenage, is very important. So I'm going to teach them how they can get freedom from acne and oiliness. So my session will be oil control for teenagers and youngsters, and this will happen Tuesday at 5:30. Please let your friends know and be there in large numbers. Thank you so much, Kiran, for supporting me always. Beautiful session. The compliment from such a beautiful person makes me feel totally amazing. Thank you everybody for being here. Feel free to share this session. Every Tuesday and Friday I will be coming up with sessions on beautiful skin, amazing hair, a great body shape at any age, and enhanced immunity. If these topics are something you feel it is important for you to learn, join me. I feel extremely happy to see you all here. Thanks a lot and have an incredible evening.